Fight if you must. You shall never lay eyes on him.
Vetranio Shapura served as a member of the Custodian Guard during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Bearing the rank of prefect during the Great Crusade, this honored guardian incurred grievous injuries protecting the Emperor during the Rykogene Xenos invasion of his master's then flagship, Bucephalus, costing the entire species their extinction. Reassigned to the Moritoi, or Honored Dead Who Walked, following his internment into a dreadnought sarcophagus, this guardian of the Iranshaw chamber became the third to ever require such a transformation, earning him the Ferrum Aquila for his service. A legendary figure even among such an incomprehensibly venerated band of gilded peers. During the Horus Heresy, Shapura aided the Space Wolves during the burning of Prospero as a nigh unkillable shining exemplar. Clad in a Contemptor Galatus dreadnought chassis, his enormous warblade, outfitted with Infernus incinerators paired with an enlarged Praesidium shield, allowed Vetranio to sunder the mightiest of foes, unencumbered by his heavy bulk. His fate unknown following the era of the Great Civil War for humanity's soul. All that can be ascertained is that this towering hero of the Emperor's companions never failed to charge into the fray to defend his master from the most conniving of foes.